Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So y'all know what it is. Lo's back. I'm here with another video, y'all. Y'all know how I promise y'all one video every week. Y'all know we gonna keep it coming. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm back with a new video. This is a different type of video. This will be a collab video, meaning I'm going to partner up with a fellow YouTuber and Instagram follower. I'm going to put her YouTube name on the screen somewhere, but her YouTube name, if you want to go ahead and check out the collab that she already has posted her version. Her YouTube name is Ashley Bianka. I'll put it on the screen. And if I can find her Instagram again, I'll tag her on Instagram. I'll put her Instagram on the screen as well. But pretty much, I drew a makeup look on her, on a blank canvas picture face of her. And she did the same thing for me. And the picture she drew for me, y'all, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Y'all pray for me. Wish me luck. Because I honestly do not know how I'm going to pull this one off. Because it's different, y'all. It's real big different. I ain't never done nothing like this before. But we're gonna try to see how it works. So I already have my brows on and we're gonna get right into the look. And so for this video, I'll be using more than likely my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, my Morphe 39S palette, and then of course my all-time favorite, my Nikita Morphe palette. So these are the three palettes that I'll probably be using throughout this video. Y'all want to see the picture? I'm gonna insert the picture on the screen somewhere so y'all can get a feel for what I'm working with or whatever. I really don't know how I'm about to pull this off. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye off camera because my battery's dying, so I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. I've done this eye. Yeah, I've done this eye, and I've decided I'm gonna make an executive creative decision for the look that she told me to do. Because the look she told me to do, y'all gonna see the picture and see why I'm doing it the way I'm doing it, because it looks like it's either like a silver or like a white or even like a light purple right here on the lid. But then she said to do a gold in her eye, and if you ask me, that's not cute. It don't coordinate, it don't give. So I'm going to make an executive decision, and I'm not going to put that gold crop on the end of my eye because I don't like that look, number one. It makes my eyes irritated, and I just not a big fan of it. So I'm gonna make an executive decision and I'm gonna do it this way. So I'm back into the same Morphe 39S palette. I'm gonna go into this color right here. It's light purple, but it has like a lot of like white undertone too. camera died again. Okay, so I got my blush on.
MSP.
And y'all know I'm about to do my favorite lip combo. I got a brown burgundy lip liner on. What's eyeshadow, but y'all know I'm going in with my Dior's Ultra Beauty in the color Shy Rose. I need to go cop y'all some. Shop black. You won't forget it. You won't regret it. Look at this shine. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I'm done. It's a voiceover one. I'm recording. What do you want?
I was coming to tell you goodnight, bitch.
Good night. Alright y'all, so that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. It's similar to the look she told me to do, but I just couldn't get jiggy with the gold, so I just used the silver on the inner eye. I'm gonna zoom in and do a couple close-ups for y'all in a minute. Makeup look she decided to draw for me is similar to this one. It's not exactly like this. I kind of gave my creative touch to it, took a little designer's approach just to, you know, see what colors would look better, you know, but I did go with her concept per se. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy watching. I thank you guys for watching, tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to my girl's channel. Once again, I'm gonna put her her YouTube channel name right here, and check out the video that we did together. It's on her channel already, the look that I asked her to do, so go ahead and check that out.